grade 11 science exam practice videos. Now from this video let us do some multiple choice questions, some MCQs. First one, the source of oxygen given out when photosynthesis occurs. First one, water. Second one, carbon dioxide. Third one, chlorophyll. Fourth one, both carbon dioxide and water. Now you know that. So you can actually take down this question when I am explaining. Now all of you know that oxygen gas is given out when photosynthesis occurs. From where does this oxygen come? From where does this oxygen come? Is it from water, or from carbon dioxide gas, or from chlorophyll, the green pigment, or from both carbon dioxide and water? Now first think of this question and select your answer. Now you know that when photosynthesis occurs, first energy should be absorbed from sunlight. Chlorophyll, the green pigment, is there to absorb energy from sunlight. Now, using this energy which is absorbed from sunlight by chlorophyll is used to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. Oxygen is actually given out from the plant. Only hydrogen from water. Only hydrogen is used up. Actually, only hydrogen is used for the process of photosynthesis. All of you know this actually. All of you know this is very essential. Now therefore, oxygen gas given out from the plants is actually coming from water. That is the source of oxygen given out when photosynthesis occurs is water. Carbon and oxygen, both carbon and oxygen coming from carbon dioxide, present in carbon dioxide, is used up for photosynthesis. From water, only hydrogen is used up for this photosynthetic process. Oxygen present in water is given out. Therefore, answer is the first one. Now let us do the second question. I'll read this. You can actually take it down in your exercise book, and then you can actually read the question and select the answer. Second one, the mass of the mass of 0.2 moles of a certain, the mass of 0.2 moles of a certain compound is 36 grams. What is the relative molecular mass or MR, relative molecular mass of this compound? The mass of 0.2 moles of a certain compound is 36 grams. What is the relative molecular mass of this compound? One answer is 90, second one 180, third one 45, and fourth one 360. Now try to select the answer. Now try to select your answer. Now you know that mass of 0.2 moles of a compound is 36 grams. Now let us calculate the mass of 1 mole of that compound. 1 mole. Mass of 0.2 moles is 36 grams. Therefore, mass of 1 mole of that compound. When you simplify this, you will get 308 divided by 2. Now, mass of 1 mole of this compound is 180 grams. Now, therefore, this is called the molar mass of this compound. 180 grams per mole. 180 grams per mole. Now, capital M, this denotes the molar mass. Molar mass unit is grams per mole. 180 grams per mole, that is 1 mass of 1 mole is equal to 180 grams. Therefore, you know that relative molecular mass is equal to 180. Here you have the unit gram because they 1 mole. Actually, this is the mass of Avogadro number of molecules or mole of molecules of that compound in grams. Here it is actually mass of 1 molecule only. Relative molecular mass is the mass of 1 molecule of that compound actually in atomic mass units. Here 180 is not in grams, in AMU. Relative molecular mass of this compound is 180. Or you can say the mass of 1 molecule of this compound is 180 AMU, atomic mass units. when you say the mass of one molecule, 180 AMU. When you say relative atomic mass, relative molecular mass, sorry, it is actually 180. Now, let us, actually answer is 180, second one. Now let us discuss about the third question. I'll write it here. You also can actually take this down when I am actually writing this question on the board. Number of chromosomes. Number of chromosomes present in a cell of a leaf is 36. Is 36. What is the number of chromosomes present in a pollen of the plant? In a pollen of a flower, actually, of that plant. These are the answers. First one 36, second one 18, third one 72, fourth one 9. Now you can write down the question and read it well and select your answer. The number of chromosomes present in a cell of a leaf is 36. In a leaf cell, the number of chromosomes present is 36. Now, actually, you are asked to find out the number of chromosomes present in the pollen of a flower of that plant. Now, pollen is a gamete. Now, pollens are gametes too. They are male gametes. In a gamete, you have only half of the number of chromosomes. Now these are normal cells. In a normal cell, somatic cell actually, you have 36 chromosomes. But in a gamete, it can be a pollen or it can be a pollen or it can be a ovule. Number of chromosomes present is half this number. 36 divided by 2, 18. Second answer, 18. Second answer, 18. Second answer, 18. Fourth one now. Fourth question. the MV composition. You can actually take down this question when I am writing it here on board. The MV composition of a solution of sodium hydroxide is 12 grams per 100 cubic centimeters. 12 grams per 100 cubic centimeter. Now this is the mass to volume composition. You are asked to tell the concentration of the solution. Concentration. What is the concentration of this solution? What is the concentration of the solution? Relative atomic masses are given here. Sodium 23, oxygen 16, hydrogen 1. Now, these are the answers. First one, 1 mole per cubic decimeter. Second answer, 0.5 moles per cubic decimeter. Third one, 3 moles per cubic decimeter. Fourth one, 0.3 moles per cubic decimeter. Now, read the question and select your answer. Select your answer. Now, mass to volume composition is 12 grams per 100 cubic centimeter. That is, in 100 cubic centimeters, you have 12 grams of sodium hydroxide. To calculate the concentration, you have to calculate this for actually not for 100 cubic centimeters but for 1000 cubic centimeters. 1000 cubic centimeters is equal to 1 cubic decimeter. Now, mass of sodium hydroxide present in 100 cubic centimeters is 12 gram. Therefore, in 1 cubic decimeter, 120 grams of sodium hydroxide, 120 grams of sodium hydroxide is present in 1 cubic decimeter, that is in 1000 cubic centimeter, that is 120 grams per cubic decimeter. 120 grams per cubic decimeter, but actually to express the concentration, so you have to do it in moles per cubic decimeter. Now here in this cubic decimeter, in this 1000 cubic centimeters of solution or 1 cubic decimeter solution, you have 120 gram. Let us convert this into moles. Now sodium hydroxide formula mass is 23 plus 60 plus 1, 40. Therefore, this is the formula mass. This is not in grams. So this is in atomic mass units. Atomic mass unit. Atomic mass units. 40 atomic mass units not right. Therefore, 1 mole is equal to 40 grams. 40 grams is equal to 1 mole. Therefore, divide this by 40 to convert 120 grams into moles. In 40 grams, you have 1 mole. Therefore, when you divide this by 40, 3 moles. In actually 120 grams of sodium hydroxide means 3 moles. Therefore, the answer is 3 moles per cubic decimeter. That is, the concentration of this sodium hydroxide solution is 3 moles per cubic decimeter. This is the answer. Third one. Now let us go to next question. That is fifth one. Fifth question. I'll write it here. So you can actually, take down this. An object with the mass of 0.2 kilograms is falling from rest. That is at the start, it is at rest and it is falling from rest. It is actually falling freely without applying any force. Falling freely. Is falling freely from rest. It takes, you will write down this question. It takes 3 seconds. It takes 3 seconds to fall to the ground. 3 seconds to fall to the ground. What is its kinetic energy? When it falls to the ground. 900 joules. 900 joules. Second answer. 180 joules. Third one. 90 joules. Fourth one. 18 joules. Now, how to do this question? Now first, you will write down it actually. and then think about this question and select your answer. Then only we can actually go for the discussion. An object with the mass of 0.2 kilograms is falling freely from rest. It takes 3 seconds to fall to the ground. What is its kinetic energy when it falls to the ground? First one 900 joules, second 180, third one 90 joules, fourth one 18 joules. Now, you have to write the equation for this first. EK means kinetic energy is equal to half mv squared. Kinetic energy can be calculated by using this equation. Now half, you know the mass 0.2 kilograms, but you have to find out the velocity of this object. You have to calculate the velocity of this object when it falls to the ground. Now you know that it takes 3 seconds to fall to the ground. Initial velocity is actually 0. And it takes 3 seconds to fall to the ground. Now you know that acceleration of gravity is equal to 10 meters per second per second. That is, when it is falling, velocity increases by 10 meters per second in 1 second. Time taken to fall, this is 3 seconds. Therefore, velocity increases by 30 meters per second. Initial velocity 0. Actually, velocity is increased by 30 meters per second during these 3 seconds. Therefore, this is the velocity when it falls to the ground. Velocity of this body when it falls to the ground is actually 30 meters per second. Now you can calculate now. Half mv is 30 meters per second, 30 square. 0.1. 30 square means 900. 30 multiplied by 30. You have to multiply this by 0.1. Therefore, kinetic energy of this object when it falls to the ground is 90 joules. Third answer. Now actually these questions are very important. You have to do more questions on these. So we are doing many questions from our next videos. Ask your friends also to participate in these, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.